Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage property showings with Skyslope, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage property showings with Skyslope, start by logging into your Skyslope account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Showings section on the left-hand menu. Click on Showings to access the properties currently available for viewing. Select the property for which you want to manage showings. Click on the option to add a new showing. Input the date and time for the showing in the provided fields. Ensure you select the duration of the showing according to your schedule. Add any specific notes or instructions for the showing in the designated area. Assign the showing to an appropriate agent from your team if necessary. Make sure to check the box for notifications to inform any involved parties about the showing. After reviewing all the details, click on the Schedule Showing button to confirm. Next, communicate the showing details to prospective buyers through email or messaging. Utilize the calendar integration feature to track all upcoming property showings. Monitor the status of your showings via the dashboard, where you can also make edits if needed. Follow up with both the client and the agent after each showing for feedback. If a property receives multiple offers, consider organizing a follow-up showing to attract competitiveness. Finally, analyze the showing metrics reported in Skyslope to assess performance and improve future listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.